There is part 2, guys, of the installation of the night sights on the 43X. There's a little trick that is handy as hell when putting these on. I mean, very, very indeed handy. And I learned it from watching Lenny McGill on the Glock store. These sights, they have an adjustable, hang on a minute, that light was too bright a while ago, now it's not enough. They have a little retention Allen set in top. Lenny taught me how to, by watching his videos, take this hammer with the plastic end and tap that in. I mean, I've got a sight pusher tool that I can use, but what he did was he just said, hold the slide in your hand and just tap that with this. Don't lay it on the table because it's too hard. You just hold it in your hand and you tap it. Tap, tap, tap. And it allows it to flex in your hand up and down like that. 2 taps and I had it dead center almost. I had to just barely adjust it just a tad with the little just tap, tap, tap like that. And I got it. But never use the brass end, always the plastic. But that worked out great. And I saw that on one of his videos from the Glock store. He does an exceptional video on every part they have with installation. That's why they're so successful. But this gun's pretty much done. I'm gonna put an extended release on it here, and that's about it. This is Frosty at 415, and I am out.